an experiment with popcorn. We're going to be dyeing the kernels and seeing what happens. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so what elements do you think you need to pop popcorn?
Heat.
Yes, heat is right. But why does heat make it pop? It has to do with pressure and the specific makeup of the popcorn kernel. There's a tiny bit of water in the kernel. Did you guys know that?
Yeah.
And the water produces steam, which makes it full inside out, and it makes it go pop, and then bam, you have popcorn. So that is awesome. You guys ready to start? Okay, let's get right into it. So for this experiment, it's actually really simple. You'll need kernels, butter for making it. You'll need colors, and this is gonna make purple, red, and we're gonna have green. 3 bowls. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon, it looks like, for measuring. 3 spoons. Oh, any amount of water because this works, and you're just gonna scoop it out. You're just gonna need a few of them. Vinegar, of course, we've got our apple cider vinegar here again. So we're gonna be using that, and a popcorn maker. We have a stovetop one, so you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. So we're gonna start by getting the bowl out of the way because we wanna do this last when we dump it out.
Yeah.
But we're gonna start by getting our 3 bowls out. There we go. You're gonna wanna get your popcorn kernels, and you wanna get 2 scoops of these. So we're gonna do in each bowl. So 1, and we're just gonna mix them any colors. We can put purple dye in there if you want. 2. Got 2 scoops in here. And there we go. Now you're gonna want to you just want to cover it with it, and we're just gonna do these 1 tablespoons at a time. Yeah. And this is kind of like dyeing Easter eggs, but they're really tiny because you're gonna use dye and stuff, and the water. We're gonna do about 3 or 4 in each bowl. Let's go to the next bowl. And we're gonna put a little bit of vinegar in this one too. We're gonna get our scoop. We're gonna put a little bit of vinegar in here too. Here we go.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. Okay, and now we're gonna do one just no liquids inside. So we're gonna start by making our purple, and we're gonna do that in our water. No, we already got a drop in there. Okay, so you're gonna need blue, and you're gonna need, hold on, and you need a red. And do you wanna mix this up for me?
Yeah.
Okay, you go ahead and do that. And this one, we're gonna put our green dye in. Whoa. And this one, we're gonna have our red. And we're just gonna cover this, and we're gonna see what happens. You wanna do that one? And you mix up this one. We're gonna wanna just cover them all up, mix it with a spoon, and you guys can do this. So let's mix them all up, okay? Get them nice and coated. A little bit more. Oh, yours has a nice purple. I like it.
It's really red.
Yeah. Okay, you got the kernels. The red ones look like they got covered the most just with no water, like direct dye. Made them super red. Hers, you can kind of see them, but I wonder what's going to happen. Okay, now I think we got to go and pop them. But first, what do you think is going to happen to each one? I'm going to see them real quick. So this one has the water and vinegar. And we go, yeah, and you got the water, and then we got the straight dye ones that look like they got colored the most, guys. So what do you guys think is gonna happen to each of them?
I think this one's gonna dye the most, and these are gonna just dye a little.
I think they're gonna flow together.
Oh, yeah, that's a good prediction. Okay, yeah, rainbow colors all together. Comment down below what you guys think is gonna happen to each of these. No cheating. Okay, I think we gotta go pop them, but first, we gotta drink. So let's get popping, but first we need a little bit of butter for when we're cooking it. So we're gonna put that in with them. Okay, and let's go put it into our maker. Okay? I need to get gloves on because safety first. We're gonna open our popcorn maker up and put in our red kernels. I've never done this before, so this is really exciting. There we go. Let's shut it. Whoop. Let's get turning. Okay, and I think it's about done, and I smell smelled good, I turned the oven off because you want to always make sure you do that. We have our bowl pre-ready. So I'm going to get it. Let's put it over there. We're going to start by taking our lid off. I'm going to put it in.
See what it looks like.
Ooh, we got some red kernels in there, and we do got some red popcorn, which is really cool. Let's look at that, guys. So now we're gonna do something a little crazy. We're gonna put both of these in. Yeah, not sure how I feel about that, but I guess we're just gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, so let's open our thing up. I'm gonna put the wet one in first. Woo! Put that one in too. Close it quickly and start turning. Okay, I think that should be good. Our oven is now turned off. Stovetop. Okay. Whoa. There's no liquid in here, guys. That is crazy. Scoot back, scoot back.
Look at the liquid in
It
it.
smells like Christmas.
Obviously, this is normal than your standard white popcorn. So were your guys' predictions right?
Kind of.
Kind of. I mean, it colored a little bit. If they weren't, it's because of the surface area or the outside of the popcorn pops. And the inside of the kernel, because the outside, as you can see, there's just a bit of color left. And this is why. Because you just dyed the kernel, not the actual inside. But, I mean, science did give us a nice treat. So, yep,